Energy fuels our life. It keeps our world in motion. And INNIO is powering it by moving energy forward. INNIO transforms energy landscapes using advanced power systems. From compression to highly efficient power generation. Technology for today and tomorrow. Reliable, efficient, sustainable. Power consumption is expected to increase significantly in the coming years. AI is a key driver. INNIO is taking on that challenge. As a technology leader, we are powering the data center revolution. At data centers worldwide, our technologies deliver sustainable prime, backup, and peak-in power. And you'll find us supporting the capacity market. That's where our fast-start natural gas solutions kick in. They bridge the gap when renewables fall short. Critical infrastructure relies on INNIO's combined heat and power technology for decentralized and secure energy supply. From global transport hubs to hospitals, INNIO can be found where it matters most. With our lifecycle service solutions, we create long-term value. AI-driven capabilities support operational excellence and efficiency. Our global team of experts empowers industries and communities to navigate the energy transition. INNIO, moving energy forward.